Okay. Hey guys, I'm Arun and I am the creator of this channel ARH. And this is the first time I'm showing my face in this channel, so I feel a little bit nervous. And I'm the guy who tries to reply all of your kind and motivative comments, so keep commenting, it really motivates me. Thank you for commenting, those who are commenting. And I think this self introduction is enough. Okay, let's move to the content. And I want to know something. What will you do with use of green beans? Yeah, this green beans. You will eat it rawly or you will cook it, right? Cook or boil it for eating, right? But I have other ideas. That is, I gonna draw with use of green beans. Instead of using stylus, I going to use green beans for drawing. It's crazy, right? But it really works, guys. I tried it, so I made a video and I trying to publish it. Okay, let's see how it works. Even I didn't draw, but I scribbled with it. So now only I'm going to draw uh, and I'm going to record it. Okay, let's move to the content. Before that, I want to tell you something. In our channel, only 2% of the viewers were subscribed, and rest of the 98% were not subscribed. I don't know why. It really hurts. So please subscribe because your one subscription will motivate me to make more videos. So please subscribe, and I will display it here. You can see this 98 percentage were not subscribed and 2 percentage only were subscribed. I hope after seeing this video it will change, like 2 percentage were not subscribed and 98 percentage were subscribed. If it happens, I feel really happy and I will try to make more videos. And okay, let's move to the before that I need a green beans and I will take it now. I'm trying to open but it's too hard. Okay, I opened. Ta-da! There are some carrot and beans, but I need only beans. You can also draw with use of carrot, but beans is better because it's like a pen, you can catch it easily. Okay, I'm going to draw with the use of this green beans. And now you are not going to see my face, just I'll show my hand and my phone, like drawing like this. Okay, bye. I don't have tripod, so I can't take video in correct angle, and the whole video will be like this only, so please adjust. And sorry guys. Okay, let's draw. First of all, I'm going to open Ibispaintx. I hope you can see how it works well. It's better than much better than homemade stylus. It really works well, guys. See, you can see it. Okay. And in this video, I'm not going to show you how to draw or how to use the tools in Ibispaintx. Instead, I'm going to show you how better the green beans work as stylus. You can see it, and I'm going to draw Among Us character because it's very easy to draw, and I'll speed it up. And don't mind if there is any mistake in this Among Us character, because I didn't see any real Among Us character picture, so I think there will be some mistake. At last we will check how is my drawing and how is the real Among Us character looks like. Okay, the outline work is over. Now I will give the color by adding new layer. And this is very satisfying, guys. And those who are willing to use stylus but you don't want to waste money in buying a proper stylus, you can use this. This is better, guys. It's really better and smooth. Okay, now I'm completed the art. As I told first, now we will check how the real Among Us character looks like. So oh my god, it's similar to that what I draw, but the glass is wrong. Okay, bye. See you next video.